Having your phone handy while you're out cycling is a must if you're an avid cyclist. Whether you need it to track your performance, stay up to date on the weather, or use it as a GPS, having a phone mount to keep it safe and secure is key. That's why we rounded up the best bike phone mounts of 2023 to make your ride easier and more enjoyable. The right mount will securely hold your phone in place no matter how bumpy the terrain is, while allowing you quick and easy access to it when you need it. We've included a variety of mounts, from simple options to more luxurious styles. No matter what your needs are, we've got the perfect phone mount for you. We're confident that you'll find a mount that fits your needs from our selection, so you can rest assured your phone will be safe and readily accessible whenever you need it. Number 1. Roam Bike Phone Mount. The Roam Bike Phone Mount is an adjustable handlebar mount designed to securely hold smartphones and other devices up to 3.5 inches in width. This mount can be fitted to handlebars ranging from 7/8 of an inch, 1/4 in diameter, making it suitable for a variety of applications, such as mountain bikes, electric bikes, exercise bikes, scooters, and dirt bikes. Made with premium quality plastic and a heavy-duty silicone net, this mount offers superior protection against weather conditions and extreme temperatures. These materials ensure that the phone is held securely in place while the cyclist is on the move. The mount also has 2 points of contact, providing added stability and preventing it from shaking or rattling during use. For added convenience, this mount is compatible with a wide range of phones, including the iPhone as well as all Samsung Galaxy phones. To ensure that the phone mount fits correctly on the bike, refer to the included sizing guide. Number 2. Lamicall Bike Phone Mount. The Lamicall Bike Phone Mount is an innovative and convenient way to ensure your cell phone stays with you while riding. This adjustable phone mount is designed to fit securely on bike handlebars between 0.6 and 1.57 inches in diameter, making it easily adaptable to a variety of handlebar shapes and sizes. The adjustable design of this phone holder allows for convenient use, allowing you to adjust the phone to the perfect angle for you. The phone holder also has a special shape that grips each corner of your phone tightly, ensuring it will stay secure even on bumpy roads. Adding to its functionality, the holder comes with 4 silicone pads that keep your phone from scratches and vibrations, giving you added peace of mind during rides. This bike phone mount is also incredibly versatile, compatible with smartphones between 4.7 and 6.8 inches with thicknesses up to 15 mm, including phone case. Installing this mount is quick and easy and requires no tools. Just clip the holder onto your bike handlebar using one hand and then lock it in place with the provided screws. Number 3. TrueActive Bike Phone Mount. The TrueActive Bike Phone Mount holder is the perfect companion for any bike rider. Designed with advanced materials and more secure fittings, it ensures your phone stays stable during any road ride, no matter how bumpy. The unique lock grip guarantees your phone won't slip or scratch your handlebars, and the cradle arms and rubber straps keep your phone firmly in place all the way down the road. Unlike other models that quickly fall apart or break after a few uses, the brand has designed its mount with durable materials that will withstand heavy use. No tools are required for installation on handlebars of all sizes, and 6 color secure bands are included for a secure fit at all times. This mount is also universal for most phones and cases, ranging from 4.0 to 6.7 inches in size with a maximum thickness of 0.71 inches. A fully adjustable swivel ball joint enables up to 360 degrees of rotation for any viewing angle. Number 4. Rock Bros Bike Phone Mount. The Rock Bros Bike Phone Mount is a great addition to any cyclist's collection. It provides a large internal space with enough room to store several items, including a cell phone up to 6.5 inches, a battery, energy gel, a small tire pump, repair kits, keys, and even a wallet. Cyclists who enjoy listening to music or taking calls while they ride can do so easily with its highly sensitive TPU film window that allows them to use their phones without interruption. To ensure safety during night rides, it features reflective tapes on both sides of the bag and a sun visor and flashing board for riding in rain or sunshine. To add to that, this bicycle bag is made from ultralight and stylish carbon fiber material with sealed double zippers for superior water resistance. Installation is also easy and secure via 3 straps, 1 Velcro commuter strap on the front and 2 more commuter straps at the top and bottom of the bag. Number 5. Tsmidol Bike Phone Mount. The Tsmidol Bike Phone Mount is a unique and attractive product for consumers. It offers a safe, secure, and stable holding foot that ensures the safety of your phone attached to the bike handlebar even on a bumpy road. To add to that, It can be quickly locked/released with one hand within ones. This innovative bicycle phone holder is easy to install and features a 360-degree swivel head, allowing your phone to be oriented to a portrait, landscape, or any angle in between. This allows you to achieve the perfect writing perspective during your journey. On top of that, the soft non-slip rubber inside of the bike mount clip ensures that your phone remains firmly attached even when riding. With wide compatibility for all 4.7 to 6.8-inch smartphones, this phone holder for bikes is compatible with a range of devices. This is also our top overall choice due to the easy-to-use product that offers ultimate convenience, stability, and versatility to its user. It is sure to make biking more enjoyable by allowing you to use your smartphone while riding with ease and peace of mind.